Irish Street Renovation, week 184. My name's Adam. This week, some grass comes up and I run a race. On Thursday, it's a beautiful day of running out at Marshall Mesa. On Friday, my new grass seeds are starting to sprout. Yay! On Saturday, I find myself at CSU, my alma mater. Tomorrow, I'm running the Colorado Marathon here in Fort Collins, and since I'm in town to pick up my race packet, I decided to spend some time walking around campus. It's always nostalgic to come back and see what's changed. For the most part, campus looks the same. Half stuck in the 70s, half modern, but all of it wonderful. In the evening, I prep my hydration vest so that I can wake up in the morning and immediately hit it. For electrolytes and calories, I'm mixing up two kinds of Tailwind. The red bag is a regular tropical punch flavor, but the purple bag gives me special superpowers because my girlfriend bought it for me. I finish off my vest with a few gels and salt tablets, and with that, it's lights out. The Colorado Marathon starts at 6 a.m. on Sunday morning up the Poudre Canyon west of Fort Collins. The first 16 miles are a gentle 2% downhill gradient, which makes for a fast race. The weather is almost cold, but when you're running hard, the cool weather is very welcome. Right off the bat, I started clocking low 6-minute miles, and if I'm able to hang on to the pace, I'll run my first 3-hour marathon. Miraculously, I averaged a 6:36 pace, earning me 25th overall and a 2-hour 52-minute finish, which is a Boston Marathon qualifying time. Well, guys, that is literally it for week 184. It's a quick one, but thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.